This project was very special because it was a project that we were touching every single element in the entire home. The homeowner was looking for years to try and move, and it just didn't work out for them, so they decided to stay and to update. And with that was update every single surface, texture, material in the entire home. The focus areas were really the kitchen, 2.5 bathrooms, and then the fireplace in the kind of den area. All of the other areas were really trying to update flooring, whether that was new luxury vinyl plank or sanding and refinishing their existing floors. When we were going through our selection process, there was 2 things that she fell in love with for the kitchen. It was the floor and the countertop. For the fireplace, that was another feature that the homeowner did want to focus on. We went through quite a few different scenarios with that and then landed on, let's keep the existing brick. Let's fix it up and do a whitewash on it and then upgrade the mantle to kind of match the scale of this fireplace that spans the full width of the room.